NFA Biomech. Let's open and see. Look nice. I like the design on it. Philippine edition, Philippine flag. That's nice. You have the chin vent open. On the side you have the double visor. This one is a medium size. It's 1500 grams. ICC sticker, of course. Look, it's good quality, good design on it. I really like the paint. See, the good thing with KYT is you get plenty choice of design, and the quality is always there, no matter the price of the helmet. So this one I think is 7,000 SRP. If you want to order, just message me. This one I have in medium and large only. I think medium, large and XL I have. So just message me in the comment section or message me on Facebook. I will reply to you. Look nice. Apart from KYT helmet, we also have Titico's dark visor, Vendetta dark visor. We also have motul gear oil for scooter, motul scooter oil, 3000 plus 10W40, and the 5100. We have Repro anti-fogs, funnel and chain brush available. So you just have to check in the link in this description for Eclo by Manila on Facebook and just send us a message.